Hey everybody, this is LightningDude42 here. I'm back again to do another reaction video for you guys. The video we're going to be reacting to today is a Willy Wonka YouTube poop called Willy Wonka Gets Blamed for Everything. This was requested to me by the creator King Fan Disney. I didn't react to any of his poop, but this is the first one I'll be reacting to. Plus, this is my first reaction to a Willy Wonka YouTube poop. There are also others. I don't know if I'll be planning to react to later in the future. Anyways, with that aside, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, play. What the? Blue?
Welcome. It's nice to have you here. I hope you enjoy it. But it might have some messy results.
What the?
And now, would you please show me your golden tits?
What?
Take off your coat. You're such fine shape.
It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our dinner. What?
What? Where's that from?
Now, button, who's got the button?
It's over there.
Here.
Yeah.
What?
What's it do?
Can't you see? It makes fizzy lifting drinks.
Did you say everlasting Johnston?
I said fizzy lifting drinks. Augustus, please, don't do that. My chocolate must never be touched by human hand.
What?
Please, don't do that. Don't do that. You're contaminating our entire river. Please, I beg you, Augustus.
Oh.
You stole fizzy lifting drink. Please, don't do that.
Oh.
Never mind. Hey, what about Charlie? And one for Charlie.
Hey, she's got two. I want another one. Maybe just one more. Or two. Or three. Or ten.
Yes, that's time for really hungry. What's going on? Tell me.
Go ahead, try.
Look at me. I'm going to be the first person in the world to be sent by television.
What?
Away from that thing.
I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen.
Oh. Zap. Blue. I love that part somehow.
You know exactly who's to blame.
Blame.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go get it!
Wait a minute.
What's the matter?
Nothing. On we go.
Oh, that's it. Okay. That was Willy Wonka Gets Blamed for Everything. Funny YouTube poop, I guess. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Also, stay tuned for a Christmas special reaction video. This is LightningDude42 signing off.